Time dissolves without a trace. Every breath becomes a prayer.